Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the language in StarRapture. To change the language, first open the Options menu. From there, make sure you're in the Gameplay tab. Here, under Language, you can choose between the few preloaded languages. There is also the option of the system default. This will default to the, your system language. Of course, you can turn on or off the subtitles. And, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.